Imagine a rabbit country called Carrotlandia. Everything runs on one thing. Carrots. Grow carrots, GDP goes up. Bake carrot cake, GDP goes up. Drop carrots. Panic. Hire another rabbit to clean them? Yep, GDP still goes up. GDP is basically the total value of everything a country produces in a year. In Carrotlandia, that means carrots, carrot cakes, carrot services, carrot inventions. If a rabbit is making anything that looks vaguely carrot related, GDP go up. Farmer Fluff grows 100 carrots worth 10 leaves each. Boom, 1,000 leaves added to GDP. Trader Bun resells the same carrots. GDP goes up again. GDP doesn't care who does it. It only cares that rabbits are doing something. Preferably loudly. Preferably while yelling. Carrot go up. Carrot go up. But here's the T. GDP does not measure happiness. Your carrot might be stolen, eaten, or emotionally unavailable. GDP doesn't care. GDP is just counting production. So next time someone says GDP grew 6%, picture a bunch of chaotic rabbits making carrot stuff like their lives depend on it. Follow for more carrot economics.